Which river is called the sorrow of Bihar? Options are A. Bhagirathi, B. Kosi, C. Gandak, D. Gomti. And the right answer is option B. Kosi. In which state of India is bamboo cultivated the most? Options are A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Goa, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Bihar. The right answer is D. Bihar. How to find out the age of giraffe? Options are A. Color of body spots, B. Nose color, C. Length of legs, D. Length of tail. The right answer is A. Color of body spots. When did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? A. In 1915, B. in 1919, C. in 1917, D. in 1913. The right answer is B. in 1919. Water lily is the national symbol of which country? Option A. America, option B. Bangladesh, option C. Germany, option D. India. Option C. Germany is the right answer. When is National Science Day celebrated? Option A. 29th February, option B. 28th February, option C. 26th February, option D. 27th February. The right answer is option B. 28th February. Black Sea is located in the south of which country? Option A. in Russia, option B. in France, option C. in America, option D. in India. The right answer is option A. in Russia. After how many years is the census conducted in India? Option A. 7 years, option B. 8 years, option C. 9 years, option D. 10 years. And the right answer is option D. 10 years. Which city of the state is famous by the name of Bago City? Option A. Lucknow, option B. Ranchi, option C. Banaras, option D. Delhi. And the right answer is option A. Lucknow. Where is the largest number of universities in the whole world? Option A. China, option B. India, option C. Japan, option D. America. It's option B. India is the right answer. Which country does not have a single airport? Option A. Pakistan, option B. Sri Lanka, option C. India, option D. Vatican City. The right answer is option D. Vatican City. What is India's position in milk production? A. Second, B. Third, C. Fourth, D. First. The right answer is D. First. Which animal cries while eating? Option A. Crocodile, option B. Monkey, option C. Elephant, option D. Bear. Correct answer is option A. Crocodile. Which is the safest country in the world? A. Pakistan, B. Iceland, C. Japan, D. India. And the right answer is option B. Iceland. Where was the capital of India before Delhi? A. Lucknow, B. Kanpur, C. Agra, D. Kolkata. And the right answer is option D. Kolkata. What is the national game of America? Option A. Hockey, option B. Baseball, option C. Ludo, option D. Cricket. The right answer is option B. Baseball. What is the national game of Indonesia? A. Hockey, B. Baseball, C. Ludo, D. Badminton. The right answer is option D, badminton. Which country has the least number of earthquakes? A. Bhutan, B. Nepal, C. Bangladesh, D. India. The right answer is D. India. Which is the largest bank of India? A. SBI, B. CBI, D. PNB, D. RBI. The right answer is D. RBI. In which state is the cheapest petrol available in India? A. Maharashtra, B. Goa, C. Orissa, D. Uttar Pradesh. The right answer is B. Goa. To uncover fascinating facts with us, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Thank you.